Okay students, so in this video we are going to discuss how to find the area of the triangles and quadrilaterals. Say area of the triangles and the quadrilateral, this concept already most of the students have idea only in the 10th standard. So in this again we recall that how to find that area of triangle. See this one. Suppose the triangle is that ABC. Suppose the triangle is ABC. ABC. So now here if the vertices are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3. So therefore area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. So we know area of the triangle ABC, when vertices are given, how can we find this value? So in the lower classes we know that this one is delta is equals to half into modulus of y1 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this one is the formula to find the area of the triangle when vertices are given. So this one we can write in the short form is 1 by 2 into modulus of sigma x1 into y2 minus y3. So this one we can write in the short form as modulus of sigma x1 into y2 minus y3. So another formula or the same formula you can also write that delta is equals to what is meant by delta? Area of the triangle. Delta is equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of det of x1 minus x3 x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2, and next one is that x3 minus x2 and y3 minus y2. So this is that another expression to find the area of the triangle. Now, so what is the benefit of the above formula and this formula? So the second expression is only to find the area of the triangle, but by using that above formula you can write in the same sequence to find the area of the quadrilateral. That means like that area of the hexagon, area of the pentagon, area of decagon also you can find by using in the extension of these values. Okay, so right, so please area of the quadrilateral. See that area of the quadrilateral means quadrilateral is nothing but it contains the four vertices. The quadrilateral is that any type. That means it may be either the square or rectangle or parallelogram or rhombus. Whatever that we have, that four vertices will be there. We have four vertices. So that means those vertices will be a is equals to x1 comma y1 and b is equals to x2 comma y2 and c is equals to x3 comma y3, c is equals to x3 comma y3 and d is equals to x4 comma y4. So when these vertices are given, how to find the area of quadrilateral? Therefore area of quadrilateral area of quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral, quadrilateral ABCD, ABCD. Delta is equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of det of x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. Okay, next one is that x2 minus x4, y2 minus y4, y2 minus y4. So this one is that area of the quadrilateral. Why you are taking the modulus? Area will be always positive, so that you can write that area of the quadrilateral is, you have to write in between the modulus. Here is that small vertical lines will be represent the modulus, and long vertical lines will be represent the det. So we know this one and this one both are in the form of 2 by 2 order determinant matrix. I hope that everybody knows that how to write this one. This is that A, this is B, this is C, this one is D. Then det of this value is that AD minus B into C. A into D minus B into C. Okay, so that is the formula to expand this one. Okay, right. Now we'll see that some applications on this one. See, in this problem 2, 5, 3, 3, 0, 4 are midpoints of the sides of triangle ABC. Then area of the triangle ABC. See, midpoints of the sides are given. See, this one is the triangle ABC. This one is that triangle ABC. Here D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, F is the midpoint of AB. By joining these midpoints, you will be get that this ABC triangle is divides in the 4 subtriangles. Each subtriangle will be have the same area. So that means area of the triangle ABC is equals to 4 into area of the triangle DEF. Here in this one, D is nothing but that 2, 5. D is that 2, 5. E is nothing but 3, 3. E is equals to 3, 3. And F is that 0, 4. F is that 0, 4. Therefore, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equals to 4 into area of triangle DEF, area of triangle DEF. So you know that how to find that area of that any type of triangle, whatever that these given 3 points are, vertices of the triangles are midpoint. One point you take x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. So area of the triangle is that half into modulus of det of, what is that formula? That formula will be nothing but x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2. And next one is that x3 minus x2, y3 minus y2. This one is the formula to find the area of the triangle. Now you apply that all these points. Here this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Here this one is that 2 will goes the 2 times. That is equals to 2 into modulus of det of x1 minus x2 is that 2 minus 3 minus 1, and y1 minus y2 is equals to 5 minus 3 is that 2, and next one is x3 minus x2, 0 minus 3 is that minus 3, and next one is that y3 minus y2 is that 4 minus 3 is that 1. So this one is that value. Now you see that how can we expand this value? This one we can write that is equals to 2 into modulus of This expansion will be nothing but what? See, here I am writing that det of A, B, C, D. What is the expansion of this value? This one will be equals to A into D minus B into C. By using this formula, A into D is that minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Next minus B into C is minus 6. That is that plus 6. That is equals to, this value is that 2 into 5. 2 into plus 5. That is equals to 10 square units. So area of the triangle ABC is equals to 10 square units. So your correct answer is that what? Second option is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope that everybody are understand this problem. Now you see that similar model type question. One more question. See, the next one is that if the area of triangle formed by the points is 10 comma 2 minus 3 minus 4 x comma 1 is the 5 square units. What is the difference of previous and this one? In previous question directly we have find the value of area of triangle, but in this one area of triangle is given, we should find the x coordinate of the third vertex. So directly you apply that formula. So what is that area of the triangle? Half into mod det of modulus of, this is that first point is x1 y1, second is x2 y2, third one is x3 y3. x1 minus x2 is that 10 plus 3, that is equals to 13. y1 minus y2 is that 6, this is that value. And next one is that x3 minus x2 is that value will be x plus 3, that value will be x plus 3. And next y3 minus y2 is that 1 plus 4 is that 5. So here this value will be equals to, how much is given? 5 square units is given. Now you cross multiply this one. Now you cross multiply this one. That implies, so 1 by 2 cross multiplying, 5 into 2 is that a 10. What is the expansion of this value? AD minus BC is that 13 5s are 65. So 65 minus B into C is that 6 into x plus 3. X plus 3. This one is the modulus is equals to 10. Now by instead of the modulus you can write that plus or minus. That implies this one is that 65 minus 6 into x. This one is that 18 minus 18 is equals to plus or minus 10, is equals to plus or minus 10. And now 65 minus 18, say 60 minus 18 is equals to 42. 42. For 42 plus 5 is that is the 42 plus 47. So this value will be nothing but, so here is that 47 minus 47 minus 6 into x is equals to plus or minus 10, right? So now you get that plus or minus 10 is the left hand side, minus 6x you get the right hand side. Now it becomes that 6 into x is equals to 47 plus or minus 10. Now once you take that 40 plus 10, 47 plus 10 is 57. So 6x value will be equals to, this value is that 47 plus 10, comma 6x is equals to, 6x is equals to, the another case is that what? 47 minus 10. 47 minus 10. By simplifying this value, here you will get that 6x is equals to, this value is equals to 57, and here is that 6x is equals to, this value is that 37. That means therefore x is equals to, what is that value? First, from the first case 57 by 6, from second case is that 37 by 6. These are that x values. If the area of the triangle formed by the given points is 5 square units, then the x value will be nothing but 57 by 6 comma 37 by 6. Now what is the correct option? 57 by 6 comma 37 by 6. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. This one is the solution of this problem. Now we will see that one more question. See, in this problem, the maximum area of triangle formed by the points 0, 0, a cos theta, comma b sin theta and a cos theta, comma minus b sin theta in square units. That means all these options are square units, right? See this one. We know that one formula is there. We know that area of triangle formed by 0, 0, 0, x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x2, y2 is that formula is that what? Half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus x2 into y1. See, all of you please remember this formula. So here this formula is applicable if one of the vertex is the origin, the remaining two vertices, one is that x1 y1 and other one is x2 y2. See, in the given problem here also one vertex is 0, so the remaining two vertices you take as the second is that x1 y1 and x2 y2. So therefore area of triangle here this one is area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 into y2. So a cos theta into minus b sin theta. So that will be minus ab into sin theta into cos theta. That is that sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta minus x2 into y1. x2 into y1 is that minus ab into sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So this is the value. Now here minus ab sin theta cos theta. This one we can write that 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 2ab into sin theta into cos theta. You know one trigonometric formula, 2 into sin theta into cos theta is equals to sin 2 theta. So 1 by 2 into ab into modulus of this value is that sin 2 theta. What is the maximum value of this one? So the maximum value of this one will be equals to 1 by 2 into ab into 1. Since maximum value, we know that modulus of sin theta is less than or equals to 1. So the maximum value of this one will be equals to 1. That is equals to area of triangle is equals to what? Half into AB. A into B is the correct answer. So what is the correct option? Third option is the correct answer. What is the correct option? Third option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So this is the solution of this problem. Okay. Now we will see that one more question in this model. Say in this problem, a is equals to small a comma b, b is equals to x1 comma y1, c is equals to x3 comma y3 are the vertices of triangle. A comma x1 comma x2. These are the x coordinates of the points. Are in GP with the common ratio r. So that means you can write that a is equals to first term. A is equals to first term. A is equals to small a, comma x1 is equals to common ratio is that r, a into r, comma x2 is equals to a into r square. A into r square. Similarly, b comma y1 comma y2 are in GP with the common ratio yes. So that means the first term is that b, a is equals to b. First term is that a is equals to b, and next one is that y1 is equals to, here that first term is that b, so this one is that b into this value is that r, y2 is equals to b into this value is that r square. So you got it that three coordinates are there, so that means you apply that area of triangle. Therefore delta is equals to, therefore delta is equals to half into, therefore delta is equals to half into modulus of, here this is x1 y1, this is that x1 x2 x3 y1 y2. So here this is the y1 y2 y3. Now according that area of the triangle formula, you can write that x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2 means here x1 is that a, x2 is that a into r, that means a minus a into r, y1 minus y2 is that this value is that b minus b into r, b minus b into r, and next one is that x3 minus x2, x3 minus x2 is that a into r square minus a into r, a into r, and next one is that b into, here is that common ratio is that not that r, common ratio is that this common ratio is that s, common ratio is s, b into s minus s square minus b into s, right? So this one is that substitution value. Now here you can write that, that is equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of, from this first row you can take that a into 1 minus r, you can take the common. So that means here is that 1 by modulus of det of a into 1 minus r, and here you can take that a into r, you take the common, this value is that r minus 1. So here is that you take that b as the common, 1 minus s, 1 minus s, here you take that b into s, you take the common, s minus 1, this one is that s minus 1. Okay, so you see this one, from the first row you can take that 1 minus r is that common, 1 minus r is the common, or r minus 1. So here you can take that 1 by 2 into modulus of, from this one is you can take that a into 1 minus r, a into 1 minus r, or r minus 1. Here is that b into, you take that 1 minus s is that common, 1 minus s is the common, this is the modulus, and next one is the det of, here this value is that after taking that, after taking a into 1 minus r, here is that 1 is there, here is that minus 1, and here is that 1, and here is that minus 1 is there, here is that minus 1 is there, sorry, here is that nothing but r, here r is that remaining term, and here s is the remaining term. Now this is also you write in between the modulus, that value will be equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into modulus of ab into 1 minus r, or you can write that r minus 1. So why? Because by taking the minus from this one and this one, you take the common, r minus 1 into s minus 1 into modulus of this one, you can write that what is the expansion of 2 by 2 that form AD minus BC, that means r minus s is that value. So finally you write this one is that one as a one term, that is equals to 1 by 2 into AB into r minus 1 into s minus 1, r minus 1 into s minus 1 into this value will be equals to r minus 1 into s minus 1 into this value, here modulus is there, modulus means even by taking the negative sign it becomes no change in this value, So this one is, you can write as that S minus R. So what is that correct answer? So here is that C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Suppose if the same problem is that given in that concept of collinearity, suppose if the common ratios are equal, suppose if R is equals to S, then this value will be equals to 0. Then the given points will be nothing but collinear. Why? Because area of the triangle 0, then the points will be equals to collinear. That concept we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video. Please all of you like, share and subscribe this channel. Okay.